guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I make a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. So I've actually owned this wig for quite a while and I wanted to do something with it, but I wanted it to be creative. So I was inspired by this wig to create this lava monster look. Lava lady, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so if you like this look and you want to know how it's done, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. So to start off this look, I'm going to use coloured hairspray instead of paint for a majority of my base. So I'm going to be using red, yellow and orange. And this is actually something new for me. I've never tried doing something like this before with hairspray. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes. So I'm just going to take the orange first. Okay, so I've done some orange which looks more red to me. So now I'm going to take the red and hope it's a different shade of red. So now I'm going to take some yellow. I'm also going to take a little bit of black. Now I'm going to take a little bit of red and a little bit of orange face paint and mix them together to create a shade that I like. And I'm just going to cover the rest of my face with that. I'm also patting some lighter shades throughout it. After that's dry, I'm taking an angled brush, starry-eyed palette from Evil Eye Cosmetics, and I'm just going to take the matte black and sketch out some rock sort of shapes. Okay, so this looks really weird right now. So now I'm going to take some black face paint and I'm just going to fill in all of these rocky sort of shapes. The reason I've applied my base before doing all of this is so it gets in between the rocks easier, even though I'm going to define them after. Also painting around my eyes but not my actual lids. I'm also taking that black face paint and creating more of those rock type shapes, but I'm doing them on a much larger scale down my chest and neck area. So now I'm going to take a starry-eyed palette and just fill in the black areas with the black eyeshadow again. So now I'm going to take some pointed cotton tips and just paint around the little edges of the rocks. So I'm not doing these in any particular order, I'm just taking the red and placing it down randomly. Now I'm just going through the same with the orange and the yellow. Also going to take a flat brush and paint that orange over my eyelids now. Also, whilst my lid's dry, I am taking Baby Bat Beauty's Bewitched Liquid Lipstick and just applying that to my lips. You can get 20% off of all of your orders on babybatbeauty.com with the code tashxglam. Going to use the Evil Eye Cosmetics palette again and take the orange on a flat brush and just pack it on my lids. Also going to take a bit of yellow from that same palette and put that in the center of the lids. Take the electrified palette and use the bright red and just put that where the orange begins on my lids. So now I'm just going to apply a pair of false lashes, and they are the Double Diva from Model Rock, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!